welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me again, your cookie girl. So today's video is going to be an unboxing book video. So yesterday evening around 9 p.m. I got the bulk of the book that I ordered for. I ordered for 50 more copies, and after waiting for a hideously long time, it finally arrived yesterday. I wasn't actually expecting it, so I was like really excited, and I was congratulated by everyone, and it was really a fun moment. And for the fact that I actually spent a long time writing it, it just made it much more interesting, because it's like, okay, all you've worked for has finally arrived. So I have a clip of me unboxing the book, and I'm going to show you guys shortly. I'm very excited. I'm also very excited to show you guys how everything is going to look like. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. So guys, I've got a copy of this book, and I'm going to be showing you guys how it looks like inside. I'm going to show you guys everything about this book. So I'm going to start by opening it, because it's like sealed with this kind of stuff. Unsealing it. Wow, it's so smooth. I like rubbing my hands on it because it's like so satisfying and so comforting. Now this is the back. This is the backstory with Vampire Next Door written boldly in red under it. I like how the cover is dark, and it's also mysterious, and you're like, oh, it's a vampire book, so it's supposed to be dark and stuff like that. And on top of it here, there is something written. It says an intriguing vampire love story. So I don't even know what to say. I'm like so excited. And the bookworm, which is like an organization, said, if you're looking for an urban fantasy story featuring characters with real intelligence and lively wit, then look no further by the bookworm. This is a stimulating and chilling book about worldwide and age-old myth about blood-sucking creatures. This is what Writer's Digest have to say about it. And I like how the spine is Vampire Next Door written, and my name just by the side. And now there is about the author page. This is the about the author, and this is the prologue that I actually wanted before the actual book starts. It's just 4 lines long, and then this is the real page where chapter 1 starts from. I like that the print is like really small. I guess it's a font 8 or 11, but I like how it turned out anyways. And in whole there are 204 pages, which is like really big for the font size. I'm so excited just looking at this book right now. Like, wow, my dreams have come true. I've always wanted to publish a book, and I finally have, and this certainly won't be the last. Oh, I just clicked on chapter 18. Wow, this is so amazing. I'm so excited. I hope you guys like how the cover is, because I definitely love how it's. So guys, if you love Vampire Next Door, be sure to send me a direct message on my Instagram, or you can leave whatever questions you have in the comment box down below. Sorry, I almost said subscription box, I don't know why, but since I said subscription, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get notification whenever I upload a video. Of course, by doing that, you have to click the bell beside it, and I'll be very appreciative if you guys do that. It's not so expensive, so it's something you can definitely afford. It's available worldwide, like I said earlier, and it can be taken anywhere around the world. So I'm really excited if you guys want Vampire Next Door, because I've already gotten offers of people who want this book. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. I'll leave my Instagram username in the description box down below. So I love you. you guys.